Welcome back to Confidenvisiontv. Ever wonder why some people seem to have money just flowing into their pockets while others struggle to make ends meet? It's a question that's probably crossed your mind at some point, and it's a question that deserves an answer. Money, it's a simple word, but it carries so much weight. It's the ticket to our dreams and ambitions, the tool that turns the gears of our lives. It builds skyscrapers, fuels industries, and feeds nations. But it's also a source of and stress for many. We live in a world of financial disparities. Some folks are born into wealth while others work tirelessly, barely scraping by. There's a chasm between these two realities, and it's not just about luck or fate. It's about financial literacy. Financial literacy is the understanding of money, how it works, and how to manage it. It's knowing how to budget, how to save, how to invest. It's understanding the difference between wants and needs, between short-term gratification and long-term goals. Now you might be thinking, I'm not a Wall Street whiz or a finance major. How am I supposed to know all this? Well, that's what we're here for. This video is all about breaking down complex financial concepts into bite-sized, digestible pieces. The power of money isn't just in its ability to buy things. Its real power lies in its potential to create opportunities, to provide security, to shape our lives in the ways we want. But to harness that power, we must first understand it. Money isn't inherently good or evil. It's a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the skill of the user. In the right hands, money can build empires, fund breakthroughs, and change the world. In the wrong hands, it can lead to ruin and regret. So whether you're a high school student getting your first paycheck, a young professional grappling with student loans, or a parent planning for your child's future, understanding money is crucial. Understanding money, its power, and how to make it work for you is the first step towards financial freedom. Money in itself is not complex. It's our relationship with it and how we handle it that can become complicated. To navigate through the world of finance, it's essential to understand its four fundamental pillars: income, expenses, savings, and investments. Let's break these down. First, we have income. This is the money flowing into your pocket. It can come from different sources, such as your job, a business, or even passive income streams like royalties and rental properties. The key is to maximize your income while doing what you love. Next up, expenses. These are the costs incurred to live and enjoy life. It could be rent, groceries, entertainment, or that tempting online sale. The trick here is to manage your expenses in such a way that you're not living paycheck to paycheck. Remember, it's not about cutting out all the fun. It's about finding balance. Savings, our third pillar, is the portion of your income that you set aside for future use. It's your safety net for emergencies, and it's also your ticket to big purchases or experiences. It's crucial to cultivate a habit of saving consistently, even if it's just a small fraction of your income. Lastly, we have investments. This is where your money works for you. It could be in the form of stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a business venture. The aim is to grow your wealth over time, providing you with additional income and financial security. These four pillars, income, expenses, savings, and investments, are intertwined. They're like gears in a machine. If one gear isn't working properly, the whole machine could malfunction. That's why it's important to understand and manage each one effectively. Learning these basics doesn't have to be daunting. Think of it as learning a new language, the language of finance. And just like any language, the more you practice, the more fluent you become. Mastering these basic concepts is like having a map that leads to financial success. Avoiding financial pitfalls is just as important as earning money. But what are these pitfalls, and how can you avoid them? Everyday life is strewn with financial traps that can easily trip up the unwary. Some of the most common pitfalls include overspending, falling into high-interest debt, and neglecting to save or invest. Let's delve into these a bit more. Overspending is a slippery slope that can lead to a pile of debt. It's often driven by a desire to keep up with the Joneses or by impulsive buying. The key to avoiding this pitfall is to create a realistic budget and stick to it. Make sure to include a line item for fun money so you can enjoy your earnings without breaking the bank. Next, we have high-interest debt. This is the kind of debt that quickly grows out of control due to high interest rates. Credit card debt is a prime example. The best way to avoid this pitfall is to pay off your balances in full each month. If that's not possible, aim to pay more than the minimum payment to reduce the amount of interest you're charged over time. Finally, there's the pitfall of not saving or investing. It's easy to think, I'll start saving next year, or I'll start investing when I have more money. But the truth is, there's no time like the present. Start by setting aside a small amount each month in a savings account. As your savings grow, consider investing in low-risk options to grow your wealth over time. Keep in mind, though, that avoiding these pitfalls isn't just about following a set of rules. It's about developing a healthy relationship with money. It's about understanding that money is a tool to help you achieve your goals, not a measure of your worth or success. Being aware of these pitfalls and actively avoiding them can save you from financial hardship. And remember, it's never too late to start making smarter financial decisions. After all, your future self will thank you. Scene script. Have you ever gone on a trip without a map or a GPS? That's what it's like to handle your finances without a plan. Now, let's delve into the importance of financial planning. Imagine your financial journey as a road trip. You wouldn't set out without knowing your destination, the route, or how much gas you'll need. Similarly, your financial journey requires you to set clear goals, create a budget, and prepare for emergencies. First off, setting financial goals is essential. Whether you're saving for a new car, a house, or your child's college tuition, having a clear vision will provide you a destination for your financial journey. It's like knowing where you're headed before you rev up your engine. Next, a budget is your roadmap. It helps you manage your income and expenses, ensuring you're not spending more than you earn. It's like planning your route to avoid running out of gas mid-journey. With a budget, you can track your spending habits, identify areas where you can cut back, and ensure that you are saving enough to reach your financial goals. Additionally, planning for emergencies is like carrying a spare tire. Unexpected expenses can pop up at any moment, from medical emergencies to sudden job loss. Having an emergency fund provides a safety net, ensuring that such unforeseen events don't derail your financial journey. Moreover, let's not forget retirement planning. It's never too early to start thinking about your golden years. Consider this as ensuring your car is well maintained for the long haul. Allocating a portion of your income towards a retirement fund will ensure comfort and security when you decide it's time to pull off the highway of your working years. By setting financial goals, budgeting wisely, planning for emergencies, and thinking ahead to retirement, you're not just planning for the future, you're securing it. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your financial journey begins with a plan. A good financial plan is your roadmap to financial security and success. So you understand money, you know how to avoid financial pitfalls, and you have a plan. What's next? The path to financial freedom is not a straight line. It's a winding road filled with challenges and opportunities. It's about building wealth, not just saving money. It's about making your money work for you, instead of you working for your money. First, let's talk about smart investing. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about understanding the market, doing your research, and making informed decisions. It's about diversifying your portfolio, spreading out your investments to minimize risk. And most importantly, it's about investing for the long term. The stock market may fluctuate in the short term, but over time it tends to rise. Next, let's discuss passive income. This is money that you earn without actively working for it. It could come from dividends from stocks or even a side business that you've set up. Passive income is an important part of the path to financial freedom because it allows you to earn money even when you're not actively working. But perhaps the most important aspect of financial freedom is continuous learning. The financial world is always changing. New opportunities arise, new challenges present themselves, and new strategies are developed. To stay ahead, you must be willing to learn, adapt, and grow. You must stay informed about the latest trends and developments. You must be willing to take risks, but also know when to be conservative. Remember, financial freedom is not about having a certain amount of money. It's about having the freedom to make choices, the freedom to pursue passions, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. Financial freedom is not a destination, a journey that requires continuous learning, planning, and adapting. But with the right knowledge and tools, anyone can embark on this journey and succeed. To quote Nobel laureate economist Paul Samuelson, investing should be more watching paint dry or watching grass grow. If you want excitement, take $800 and go to Las Vegas. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Remember, knowledge is power.